Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to reset your Happn Account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. In order to reset your Happn Account's password, you'll need to reset your Google account's password since the application uses Google account to sign up or log in. Start by tapping open your Happn application. From the very first interface of Happn, you'll be able to see that you can continue with your Facebook and with Google. Since I signed up using my Google account, let me tap on continue with Google. Accept to the terms and services of Happn by tapping on accept. Enter your Google account's credential on the next page. After entering your email, tap on next. When asked for your password, tap on forgot password in order to reset your Happn account's password. Now you'll need to prove that this account really belongs to you, so go ahead and choose one of the options in order to move forward. Let me tap on the second option that says get a verification code at the following number. Wait for the 6-digit verification code to arrive. Soon after it does, you'll need to go ahead and get a verification code from your email. Tap on the email option, or you can even try another way to sign in. Let me tap on the second option and wait for the verification code in one of your alternate email if prompted. Type in the code and tap next. Now, on the next page, you'll get to create a strong password and reset your password. Type in the password that you'd like to use for your Google account and confirm your password by typing it again in the next box. Double check your password by tapping on the Show Password box. And finally, tap on Save Password at the bottom right. On the next page, agree to the Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy by tapping on I agree. Wait for a few seconds and you have successfully reset your Happn Account's password. Allow access to your location by tapping on Allow, and that is it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.